If you're searching for the top 11 best budget camera to buy, you're in the right place. Today on Camera Lab, I'm breaking down some amazing budget-friendly cameras that deliver impressive quality without draining your wallet. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or creating content for social media, these picks are perfect for beginners and growing creators alike. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right into the list and find your next camera. Ultra 4K Vlogging Camera. The Ultra 4K Vlogging Camera is a solid choice if you want sharp video quality on a budget. I really like how it records crisp 4K footage while still being simple enough for beginners to use confidently. The lightweight body makes it easy to carry around, which is great for daily vlogging or travel videos. It features a responsive autofocus system that keeps your shots looking clean and professional. The built-in microphone support helps improve audio quality, which is a huge plus at this price. I also appreciate the intuitive menu layout, making setup fast and stress-free. Battery life is reliable for casual shoots, and the overall build feels durable. For creators who want dependable 4K performance without overspending, this camera delivers impressive value and consistency every time you press record. Compact-friendly zoom camera. The compact-friendly zoom camera is perfect for creators who want portability without sacrificing versatility. I love how small and lightweight it feels, making it ideal for travel, family moments, or quick street shots. Despite its compact size, the zoom capability is surprisingly powerful, letting you capture distant details clearly. The camera handles lighting changes well, producing balanced photos and videos in various environments. It's beginner-friendly, with easy controls that don't feel overwhelming. I found the grip comfortable, even during longer shooting sessions. Video quality is smooth and reliable for casual content creation and social media uploads. The battery performance is solid for everyday use, and file transfer is quick and simple. Overall, this camera is a great budget option for anyone who wants flexibility, zoom range, and convenience in one compact package. Dual Lens 4K Camera. The Dual Lens 4K camera stands out because of its creative flexibility. I really enjoy switching between the front and rear lenses, which makes vlogging and filming others incredibly convenient. The 4K video quality looks sharp and vibrant, giving your content a professional touch. This camera is great for storytelling, allowing smooth transitions between selfie shots and wide-angle scenes. The interface is straightforward, so you won't waste time figuring out settings. I appreciate the stable performance during handheld shooting, which helps reduce shaky footage. Audio input options add extra value for creators who care about sound quality. Battery life is dependable for daily recording needs. If you want a budget-friendly camera that offers versatility and modern features, this dual lens option is a smart and creative choice. Pro 5K Vlogging Camera. The Pro 5K vlogging camera is impressive for anyone wanting higher resolution without paying premium prices. I was genuinely surprised by how detailed and crisp the 5K footage looks, especially for content creators focused on clarity. It's excellent for future-proofing your videos while still working great in 4K formats. The camera feels sturdy and well-built, giving confidence during outdoor shoots. I like the responsive controls and quick startup time, which save valuable recording moments. Color reproduction is natural, and autofocus performs smoothly in most conditions. It's well-suited for sit-down videos, product reviews, and creative projects. Battery efficiency is solid, and storage support is flexible. Overall, this camera is ideal if you want high-resolution video, professional results, and great value all wrapped into one budget-friendly device. Elite 5K Dual Screen Camera. The Elite 5K Dual Screen Camera is designed with vloggers in mind. I really enjoy the dual screen setup, which makes framing shots effortless whether I'm in front of or behind the camera. The 5K resolution delivers stunning clarity, making videos look sharp and detailed. It's great for creators who want flexibility while filming themselves confidently. The touchscreen response is smooth, and navigating settings feels intuitive. I also appreciate the solid image stabilization, which helps during handheld recording. Audio performance is reliable, especially when paired with an external mic. The camera feels premium despite its budget-friendly price. Battery life holds up well for regular sessions. If you're looking for an affordable vlogging camera with advanced features and excellent video quality, this dual-screen option is absolutely worth considering.
Smart 4K Flip Camera. The Smart 4K Flip camera is a fun and practical choice for everyday content creation. I love the flip screen, which makes self-recording incredibly easy and accurate. The 4K video output is sharp and colorful, perfect for social media and YouTube videos. This camera is simple to use, making it ideal for beginners who want quick results. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. I found the autofocus reliable, keeping subjects clear and well-defined. It also handles lighting changes smoothly, which helps when filming indoors or outdoors. Battery life is decent for casual recording sessions. Overall, this camera offers a great balance of usability, performance, and affordability, making it a smart pick for vloggers who want reliable 4K quality without complexity.
Digital HD Zoom Camera. The Digital HD Zoom camera is a solid option for users who prioritize zoom and simplicity. I like how it captures clear HD photos and videos while offering a strong zoom range for distant subjects. It's especially useful for events, outdoor scenes, and casual photography. The controls are straightforward, making it easy for beginners to start shooting right away. Despite its affordable price, the camera feels well constructed and reliable. I appreciate the comfortable grip, which helps maintain stability during zoomed shots. Image quality remains consistent in good lighting, and file storage is easy to manage. Battery performance is dependable for daily use. If you're looking for a budget-friendly camera that focuses on zoom capabilities and ease of use, this digital HD option is a practical and dependable choice. Ultra 4K Flip Camera. The Ultra 4K Flip camera is a great pick for vloggers who want flexibility and quality. I really enjoy the flip screen, which helps frame shots perfectly when filming alone. The 4K video quality looks sharp and professional, especially for online content. This camera performs well in various lighting conditions, delivering balanced colors and detail. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel and daily vlogging. I found the menu system simple, allowing quick access to key settings. Audio recording is decent with support for external microphones. Battery life is reliable for regular recording sessions. Overall, this camera offers excellent value, combining convenience, solid performance, and modern features, making it a strong contender for anyone searching for an affordable yet capable 4K vlogging camera. Wi-Fi 4K Vlog Camera. The Wi-Fi 4K vlog camera is perfect for creators who love quick sharing and connectivity. I really like how easy it is to transfer files wirelessly to a phone or tablet. The 4K video quality is crisp, making content look clean and engaging. This camera is designed with vloggers in mind, offering a compact body and user-friendly controls. I appreciate the stable performance during handheld shooting, which helps keep footage smooth. The Wi-Fi feature saves time and makes uploading content faster. Battery life is suitable for everyday use, and storage options are flexible. It's a great choice for social media creators who want speed and convenience. Overall, this camera combines modern wireless features with solid video quality at a budget-friendly price point. Smart Dual Lens Camera. The Smart Dual Lens camera offers creative freedom at an affordable price. I love the ability to switch between lenses effortlessly, which is perfect for vlogging and capturing different perspectives. Video quality is clear and vibrant, making content look polished. This camera is easy to use, even if you're new to content creation. The dual lens design adds versatility without complicating the experience. I found the autofocus responsive and reliable during movement. It's lightweight, making it comfortable for long recording sessions. Audio performance is decent, especially for casual videos. Battery life holds up well for daily shooting needs. If you want a budget camera that lets you experiment with angles and storytelling, this smart dual lens option delivers flexibility and value in one compact device. 16x Zoom Digital Camera. The 16x Zoom Digital Camera is ideal for users who need reach and clarity on a budget. I'm impressed by how well the 16x Zoom captures distant subjects without losing too much detail. It's great for outdoor photography, events, and casual video recording. The camera is simple to operate, making it beginner-friendly and stress-free. I appreciate the comfortable grip and balanced design, which helps with stability while zooming. Image quality is consistent in good lighting, and videos look clean for everyday use. Battery performance is reliable, allowing extended shooting sessions. File management is straightforward, and storage support is flexible. Overall, this camera is a strong choice for anyone who wants powerful zoom capabilities, ease of use, and solid performance at an affordable price. That wraps up my breakdown of the top 11 best budget camera to buy right now. I hope this list helped you narrow down the perfect camera for your needs, whether you're vlogging, traveling, or just getting started with content creation. Every option here delivers great value without overspending. Remember to check the links in the description for updated prices and full details. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to Camera Lab for more honest, easy-to-follow product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.